Now let me start slicing this four-quarter, guys. So this is beef four-quarter. Firstly, I will separate a front side and a back side. A back side, it's a side that goes with chuck and the prime rib. That is a back side. So let's put it aside. It's chuck and a prime rib on it. And then now we left with briskets, cow's chest, briskets, which is a front side brisket. Okay, this one is a short rib roast. So let's start slicing a short rib roast. So you can touch your ribs when you're slicing this one, guys. Touch your ribs. This is a short ribs that I'm slicing it right now. You can keep it as a roast, or you can maybe remove a bone on it, make a boneless short rib roast. So it's very nice. Even if you're making a roast with it, it's very nice. And you can also, it's very good when you are frying it, a short ribs. It's good to make a fry with it. Ngizizwa kumqemane. This is still a short ribs, guys. Gam qerere gam gam. Ngizizwa ngumqemane gam qerere gam gam. Okay, now we are moving forward to a back side. So this is a prime rib that we're putting aside, and then now we're left with a chuck steak. So this is a chuck roast. We're gonna make some slices, nice slices from it. We're gonna get a nice slices. You can buy it as like that, guys, and maybe when you get it home, you make your own nice cubes, make a goulash from it. It's very nice. It's very tasty when it's come to making a curry with it. That meat is good for curry. This one is very good for curry. This meat, chuck steak, is good for curry. Now, let's move forward to a prime rib. That's where we get a tomahawk steak, rib eye steak. They're coming from a prime rib. All those steak that you know that maybe sometimes I say it's a beautiful and nice steaks and nice and tender steaks. They're coming from a prime rib roast. So now we're moving to brisket. Isifuba brisket.